Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. I am back. I know I've been away for a while and I haven't been posting videos often, but I'm trying my best to get a list of videos and just do all of them and then start posting. So hopefully this year I discipline myself to bring you a video every week. So let's get started. So this one is just for a baby shower, someone having triplet girls. And what best way to do this one, I thought, I'm thinking of a clip art that I can use that will represent, three girls. So I figured thing one, thing two, and I'll add a thing three to the group. And which I did that here, and I'm just showing you different colors, how you can change the colors of the outfit. I did baby girl 1, baby girl 2, and baby girl 3 instead of saying thing 1, thing 2, and thing 3. And I just did these colors right here because I was practicing during the video. And this is the outline of it, but I'm going to show you how to get to that part because it's almost a little tricky, but not that tricky. So I'm just going to move this stuff over here because I don't need it. So once you get your image in, whatever you're using, and you have to get a good image, good clip art that has these lines like this. And you can see the separation of the lines. You can see the outline at the break between the top of his shirt here and the bottom of his shirt pants here is not connected to the top part. That is awesome. And also here, when you see a breakage where you see the black line in between both of the images here, that's a good image. And also with the hair and the face, you see the outline of the image. Those are great images to use. So maybe you might want to consider getting like a coloring page outline to do it. That way you can separate each part of the image to color in whatever color you want. So let's get started. Now I already took the background out. This was on a pink background, meaning it was on a transparent background that you cannot see. If you want to put this on a business card, if you want to put it on a invitation, you won't have that white background on it. If you want to put him over something like a tree, you couldn't see the tree because of the white background, so they do it in pink. But if you're doing a print and cut with a pink transparent image, you still have to take that background out. Even though you don't see it, it's there because when you go to cut it, it would just cut it would cut a box, the box that's around it. And I'm getting ready to show you what I mean. Now, if I wanted to just go ahead and cut this, I click on my image over here, I click cut edge. Well, I already took the white background out, but if I did, and the transparent background out, but if I didn't, it'll cut a box that was around here. So let's go back to the design space and cut this bad fella out. So I would go to my trace tool, which is here. It looks like a butterfly to me. Open that trace window and then you select trace area. I will hold my left key down on my mouse and drag that trace window over my image. Now, if I wanted to do just a print and cut, this would be perfect. All the lines are closed in around him. He's just perfect for a trace and detach print and cut. But I want to separate his outfit like this, where you see if I do an object and release compound, his pants, his shirt, his face, his hair, all will be separate. But I can't do it with this one because I don't have that separation. So when you're doing a trace and detach, this will be fine. But when you're trying to change colors to outfit like this, you want to, instead of taking the threshold to the right, you want to take it to the left. So I'm just going to click on it one time to the left just to see what I can get before I just take it all the way. And it's going to take a little while. I don't know why my computer is acting slow right now. Okay, come on. Okay, maybe do it one more time. Okay, so that is perfect. And actually I want to still make sure that the lines are closed up. Okay, so now instead of me doing a trace and detach, I'm going to do a trace. Move my image to the left, and now you can see where it's separated here. So now I'm going to click on that. I can get rid of this, click on my image, my outline. Actually, now go up to Object and Release Compound. Now it released everything that I want to change color. So I'm going to move his top outfit, his bottom, and his leg. And now I can move the black outline that's behind him here. Now I'm going to group this together because we're going to work on that in a minute. And now I need to open up his eyes, because if I don't, he won't be able to see. So I need to click on his neck, hold the shift key down, and click on all the elements that's in his face, like his little dimples here, his nose, his eyes, and his eyebrows. And actually, I forgot, let me click off of that and take his tongue out, because his tongue is not part of the Make Compound Path. So I click on his neck again and click on those little things that I mentioned, and I'll go up to Object and Make Compound Path. Now that's opened, and I will show you what I'm talking about in a minute. And oops, I forgot to do his nose. Let's take that back. I need to click on his nose, click on him again, and then the nose, and do Make Compound Path. Okay, now I'm getting ready to just hold my left key down on my mouse and drag it and get these little elements right here to make a compound path. Make Compound Path. Okay, now I'm going to show you the reason why I did that. Now, this is the black outline that's around it. You can see. I'm going to change that to black by clicking on this outline color bucket. And I'm just going to do the outline of black too. And I'm going to click on his face, make his face brown. Black bucket. And now you can see it opens that up. If I didn't do that in the beginning, his whole face would have been brown. No black coming through his eyebrows like you see here, eyelashes, all that would have been brown. So I had to open it up. And also with his hair, had to open these little spaces up right there. And let's do orange. And now you see it's there. Okay, so we'll just keep that like that. So now that you know about the compound path and opening stuff up. So I'm going to keep this out because I want to color. Let's color his tongue pink and get that over there. We'll color her tongue pink. Okay, so I think I'm going to change her hair color to this color. Okay, now this is the top outfit. I'm going to just place it here and change that color to, oops, make sure you click on the outline and change that to that color. Click on this piece right here and hold your shift key down and click on the other one. That way you can color them both at the same time to this color. Nope, that's not it. Is that it? Nope. Okay. Is that it? Let me do the inside. Okay, we did them both at the same time. So this one gonna go here, and this one going to go there. Okay. So now you have your outline change. You see, oops, you see that everything is changed. Even the tongue, everything you can see through. Now we're going to work on the name. So what I did was I just moved this off, ungrouped that, and grouped it and deleted and made my own. I'm just going to fill it in white, outline white, and I'm going to make my own words. Get my text tool, click on Berlin Sans FB Demi, and I'm going to type baby, enter girl 1, and make sure I center. And I'm going to take that, I can get rid of this now. I'm going to take that outline and make it black, or no outline, or right, no outline. Then if I want to change the color of the word, the letters, you know, you can do it now with the fill-in button here. Sorry, had to find my words. So anyway, so after that, all I'm going to do is just size it the way I want, and I'm not getting ready to do no curve or anything like that. I'm just going to take it and bend it around to where I want it to look, and I think it'll be okay. So now I can take that and drag it over here, and there you go. You got your baby girl there. Now, like I said, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Just make sure you group all of it together, and you can change it to any color you want. I think I'm going to do it black. Or if you want to change the font, you can just click on it, go back to your text tool, and let's do baby cakes. You could do pirate. You could do book style. I think I'm gonna keep it like that. And there you go. That's baby girl 1. And all you have to do in order to make it so you don't have to redo this, I will hold my shift key down. I will click on the circle here, hold my shift key down, and click on the words. Move that to the side first before you do put this over there. What you do is you take care of all this, do 1, then click on that, put a number 2 there, click on, then save that one, then click on it again and do a number 3. So what I mean was, okay, say you group all this together, you do copy, paste, bring that over here, click on just the letter part, and make this a 2. Do a paste, click off, click on that, double click on it, that way you make it a 3. And then now all you have to do is just group those together here, group it, go up to group selected shapes, and now you have where you can just copy this one as well. You can group that together and do a copy, paste, and now you have your 3 that you can put, oops, got to bring that to the front. I think all of them you have to bring to the front. You just right click on it, go down to bring to front, and you can put 1, 2, and baby girl 3. And then you can just make sure they apart, because if you want to group it together, they're going to group all together. Otherwise, you have to do click on that, click on this, click on that, and then group that one by itself. That way it won't group all these together when they touch it like this, because if you try to do this or try to just do one, it's going to grab the other one. So either you make sure they spaced out, or you hold your shift, you click on one and you hold your shift key down, click on the other, and go up to group, and it'll do it separately. Click, click, group. There you go. Now you got baby girl 1, baby girl 2, and baby girl 3. So I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message, and I will try to answer as many questions that I can. Sometimes I don't be on YouTube a lot, which I need to start answering questions that people asking me. But I might do a Q&A. That way, all the questions that you ask, I can try to answer for you. But until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.